Hello, it's David here and another video for you, and we're taking a look at yet another Brattonsound gun safe, and this time around this is the Sentinel Plus RL5 Plus, which is a rifle cabinet for 4 to 5 guns. We are London and home county safes on londonsafes.co.uk. Free delivery and free installation, professional installation on this gun cabinet and many other products. There's the areas that we cover. If you do like this video, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you'll be notified of any new content that I put out there. So let's kick off with the external dimensions of the safe. This one is 1515 millimeters high by 268 millimeters wide, and it has a depth of 346 millimeters. So that is quite deep for a gun cabinet, essentially for rifles with scopes is what I'm thinking here. It's fitted with a single key lock, which is of the double bitted variety. One here, similar to a safe lock. Double throw. It's locked at the moment, so the key goes in all the way. We turn once, still not open, and then again, and now that's pulled all the bolts back. It's multi-point locking, and as I turn the key, you can see that throws it out, and one more turn throws it out a bit more. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts on this unit, all operated with that single key. Internally up the top, locking ammo box that uses these tubular type keys to lock and unlock that, and that's it now unlocked, so you can see the ammo box, and that reveals 2 of the fixing holes up the top of the cabinet there. On the back of the door you've got the Brattonsound plate that talks about the built and independently tested to British standard BS 7558 1992 revision, the only way to guarantee police acceptance. We always say the same thing: if you're going to get this cabinet, any cabinet, talk to your firearms officer, tell them where you're planning on having it fitted, and see what they have to say before you spend the money. I've popped inside the cabinet our air rifle just so you can get an idea of what will fit in there. I put it in the middle slot, as you can see. There's no scope on that rifle. The door is 60 millimeters thick, if you're wondering. If we are lucky enough for you to place an order on our website, if you place the order, you will see at checkout you're presented with a list of accessories that you might be interested in purchasing. One is an automatic light that turns on when the safe door is open. It's got a little PIR motion detector, 3 LEDs, uses 3 AAA batteries, and just goes on the top of the safe with a magnet like that and illuminates. There's no batteries in that one, you can see. Really useful if it's in a dark cupboard. And the other thing is this safe dry, made in Germany, dehumidifier for cabinets and safes, and it basically is a moisture absorbing pack with a humidity indicator that you open and then put inside, and it's reusable. So once it tells you that it's full, you can dry it out on the radiator and then reuse it again. Very useful for keeping rust off of your treasured firearms. Questions at all, please get in touch. Give us a call, 0208 445 0001. There is a free phone number on the website as well, which I think is free from landlines and certain mobile contracts, I'm not quite sure. There's also a chat, so you can chat with us, an online chat, or even a WhatsApp chat, or even I think a Facebook chat if you want to ask us anything at all. Happy to help. Thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.